Hey friends, I'm glad you're still sticking around because it is time for another brick loot unboxing. So we'll just do like normal, dive right in, see what we have. And everything's packed in there nice and tight. So just get the little stuff out of the way here. So once again we have a light kit. This one has flames with it. Here's our minifigure. Here's our little guy in a little vest there. Okay. We have a Velociraptor dino skeleton. How cool is this one? That's going to be a lot of fun to build. He even has the little claws. Oh gosh. I'm terrible with dino names. My boyfriend is going to laugh at me for pronouncing these. Dilophosaurus. I'm guessing he's the one that has the little fans coming out on the sides of his head. Oh, this is just packed full of dinosaurs, you guys. This is fun. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to pronounce these. Pteranodon. He's a flying one. All of these are going to be so much fun to build. Oh, baby dinos. They are tiny. I've got to get these out of this pack. And you can see them in the pack, but that's not going to do it justice. How stinking cute are these baby dinosaurs, you guys? This is an amazing brick loot month. Those look so adorable. And now I think we're finally getting to the big piece of this. Yeah, it's a Dinosaurs World. So our little minifigure that we have here, I guess, works here at this park. It's not Jurassic Park. This is Dinosaurs World. So here we have the little structure with the doors where you go in. This guy advertising it. Here we can see the back section as well. This is a solid month of brick loot. It's all dinosaurs. The light kit even has flames with it, which is going to be cool to work into the piece when you set it up. We have baby dinosaurs. We got the skeleton. I'm telling you, I'm so excited about this one. It's just going to look great in the collection of all things random that I have. Alright, so this was, I believe, July brick loot. Thanks for unboxing this with me. If you have questions about brick loot or any of my experiences with them or past items I've received, please let me know in the comments. We'll do it again in August.